Hi guys, this is Martin, aka MartinTheVlogger, and today I have here for you another how-to or installation video. I'll try to be very fast. Maybe you have noticed that I'm working on this Bloody Mary project. By the way, cool project. Watch it on my YouTube channel. And we're gonna put on this, I call it Monster Grill on my shop, but you can find it somewhere else as Fang something. So these kind of look protectors and grill protectors from Zarate still work. We will follow basically their manual, and I'm making a video manual out from it. There are 8 steps, so we will do this. And you know what? Let's start with what you need. You will need power drill, 13/64 drill bit. I have no idea. I just will adjust it to whatever bolt size it is. Socket set and wrench set. That's it. So guys, enough of this. Let's get started. Okay, step number 1, what we need to do, we need to remove the front mask, and of course it's very simple. We have 2 bolts here, and then we need to remove the hood and of course slide the mask out. All right, next thing what we need to do, we need to actually mark where to drill holes on the front mask. However, even before that, what needs to be done, you will need to adjust this Monster Grill a little. All of these holders, they are coming in a 90% angle. I believe it's because of the production. And what you'll simply need to do, you will need to a little bit push them into the more sharp angle, because otherwise they will simply not fit and the teeth will be like, you see, like going out. So, and don't do this. Maybe actually one tip here. I know everybody that buys these things likes to go on the bike and see like how it looks. Don't push it inside because you will just simply scratch your front mask. So first thing, push these top holders under more sharp angle. See how your front mask looks, and then, you know, push the whole Monster Grill inside. All right, now with marking the holes, this one is a little bit tricky. Actually, the manual says like you should push the bottom all the way to the back as further as possible, and then actually mark. Let me see if you can see it. It's there. Okay. So then basically mark your spot. The only thing is, like, I don't believe there is a correct way of doing it. It's about everybody's feeling. Obviously, more you push it, the easier it's going to be for you to drill the hole from here. But the thing is, like, more you push it, more at the end, more the teeth will come off, you know what I'm trying to say? Oh, look, this is like when the top is like this, but most probably I will push it a little, so I will have teeth like this. So you will make it like more angry, but you can have it less angry. You can have it flat like this. It's going to be basically up to you. All right, so a little bit tricky there, but I believe your way is the correct way. Now, of course, use the screws for the bottom and for the top. The only thing is that the shorter ones goes on the bottom and the taller one goes on the top. So that's it, and voila, the installation is complete. Voila my ass! The installation is nowhere near to complete. I just thought it's gonna be super easy, but I was wrong. So, by the way, we desperately need a new space, and we will be moving, or actually, watch the new video I'm making for you, how we are growing and about new. Watch it. So what's the trouble? And actually, I don't know why, but could be done so much easier way. I like enjoying, you know, mounting new things and learning new stuff, but this is just stupidly complicated. Okay, so mounting the bottom, okay? So we are at the bottom, you got the Zarate trademark here. So I have mounted the bottom only at the moment. And what was the trouble? First of all, you need to drill the hole under certain angles. So that's quite problematic, and you need to be just patient. That's all fine, it's still good. But what was really the trouble, it's to actually put the screw in and the bolt in, because you really need a thin hands in order to hold the screw here, proper tools to have it. I just have my hands and they're not really used to do origami or whatever. So this was really, really complicated, and it took me like 10 minutes or something, and I was cursing a lot. Yeah, so now we're gonna do the top, and how I'm gonna do it, I will not, of course, remove the grill, no way. I will need to do it because we will put it into white, but how I will do it, I will use these plastic, how do you call them? Can you write it to a comment, like how do you call them, like tighteners or whatever? And I will just tie the top of the grill on 3 places, the way that I like it, and then I will drill holes having the Monster Grill on it, because it's gonna be easier. Let's do it. So the installation is over, and of course you need to put back the front mask and the hood. Now, towards the trouble, the top part was not difficult at all. It's actually very accessible. The bottom one I was a little bit struggling, but honestly, yesterday it was a long day for me, and the other day, so today I was finishing it, and you know how it is with these type of projects. Like sometimes you just need to give it a break and come back to your garage another day, and usually it goes much easier. So stay tuned on what I will be doing with it, because the black one is nice, but it's not for this design. So we will apply some white color to it and some blood patterns, but that's another video. That's the video about the Bloody Mary project that you can find out on MartinTheVlogger.com, on my vlogs section, or on my YouTube channel. Guys, thank you very much for watching. Hit like, hit subscribe, hit dislike if you like, comment, complain, do whatever. But most importantly, remember, if something is not going your way, give it the time. And always have fun.